What's up guys, Joe here, Figotech, and when Huawei launched the P40 series, only the P40 and the P40 Pro were initially offered here in the Philippines, which left some people asking when the P40 Pro Plus would arrive. A few months later though, we finally have an answer and the company is finally launching their most powerful flagship in the country. So without any further ado, let's get this thing out of the box. First up, lifting up the lid, we get the phone itself. We have it here in this white ceramic color, really nice. Next up, we have the SIM ejector tool, and below that, we have the 40-watt Huawei supercharger, USB-C cable, and a pair of USB-C earphones. Right off the bat, we'll tell you that the P40 Pro and P40 Pro Plus are basically twins, meaning they have the same design and dimensions. But the P40 Pro Plus is also a bit heftier than the P40 Pro. The former is 226 grams while the latter is 209 grams. And it's something you definitely feel upon holding the device. Still, it looks and feels very premium thanks to the nanotech ceramic at the back. It's polished and smooth. Add to that the metal frame that blends with the 3D curves of the front and back panel. On the front, we have a 6.58-inch Flex OLED quad curve overflow display with a Full HD Plus resolution or 2640 by 1200. Beneath, we get a in-display fingerprint scanner, and on the upper left, an oval-shaped punch hole. Port and button placement is the same as the P40 Pro. We have the volume and power buttons on the right. The latter has this metallic orange accent, which is a nice touch. The buttons are firm yet clicky. Up top, we have the IR blaster and secondary microphone. And down at the bottom are the SIM tray that can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards or a single SIM card plus a Huawei nano memory card. Also found here are the primary microphone, USB Type-C port, and the loudspeaker. Flipping it to the back, you'll see this large rectangular camera module on the upper left that houses the penta cameras and dual LED flash. The P40 Pro Plus also has an IP68 rating, meaning it is dust and water resistant, so you can worry less about accidental splashes or dropping it in the pool. Powering the Huawei P40 Pro Plus is a high silicon Kirin 995G CPU, Mali G76 GPU, 8GB of RAM, and up to 512GB internal storage. For battery, it's a 4500 mAh cell with support for 40-watt Huawei Supercharge, and for software, EMUI 10.1 based on Android 10. But that's gonna have to cut it for now for this quick unboxing and hands-on overview of the Huawei P40 Pro Plus. Guys, I promise we're gonna be diving deeper into this device in our full review. Stay tuned. But what do you guys think about this phone? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit ukitech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and guys, stay hydrated.